Let us see the next question on how do we convert a tree to its mirror. Now this is a tree, you have to convert to its mirror. Now what do I mean by convert to its mirror? See over here, if I take the mirror and if I keep mirror over here, what do you see? You see 10 as the root, if you can see. Then we will see, then what we will do? We will write the left child as the right child and the right child as the left child. Yeah. Now 10 will be here. Okay. Now instead of going from top to down, let's go from bottom to top. It will become easy for you, that's all. Okay, if you want this way, now this is 30. This is where 20 will be. And 50 becomes the right child. It looks at the right child of 30, right? As if the right child of 30. And this 20 looks as if the right child of, so this 40 looks as if the right child of 20. Therefore, the root does not change, right? If there is only one node, then the top node remains as it is. But the subtrees of root will change. Now the tree is represented by what? The root pointer. Now in this case the root pointer does not change. Now what is the input? Input is a tree, and that tree I want to convert into its mirror image. Okay. Now what is the algorithm? What we can see? Can you pause the video and think for a while about the algorithm? Yes, can you pause the video and think for a while about the algorithm? Okay. Okay, did you get about the algorithm? What is the algorithm? You see, for each and every node, the left pointer and the right pointer are changed. Now for 20, what was the right pointer? Null. What was the left pointer? 40. Now it has been swapped. Similarly for 30 it is swapped. Similarly for 10 it is being swapped. It means we need to swap the left pointer and the right pointer. And we need to do in the bottom up way. You just cannot swap 20 and 30 and you say that it is being swapped. No. Therefore, this has to be done first the left child, then the right child, and then the root. And what is left child, right child, and then the root? It is post order. Therefore, this conversion tree to its mirror is done in a post order fashion. Now, how do we write the case? We say case, whatever is the number. And what do I write? I say mirror of root. Whatever is the tree, it will convert to its mirror image. And here we write. Now let's see how do we convert a tree to its mirror. Now for conversion of a tree to its mirror, the best thing is if I do this in the physical representation, you will understand better. Therefore, let me write the physical representation of the tree. Suppose this is a tree with this as the root pointer and this is the physical representation. We want to convert tree to its mirror, and we will do it in the post order fashion. For that we have already written a function. Now if the value of root is null, what does it mean? It means that the tree is empty. And if the tree is empty, what do we do? We return back. We don't have anything further to process. Fair enough? If it is not null, then we have to do it in post order fashion. Therefore, we say mirror of root arrow left. Then we write mirror of root arrow right. Now, after we say left and right, what we need to do? We need to swap the pointers instead of processing it. Now, how do we swap the pointers? We say struct node star temp is equal to root arrow left. Then what do I write? Root arrow left is equal to root arrow right. And what should be the value of root arrow right? The value of root arrow right should be equal to 10. Should be equal to 10. Is that okay? Now let's give the line numbers 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And let's trace this so that you understand in detail. Okay. Now let me trace over here. We say mirror of, I just write m means mirror of root. Now what is the value of root? The value of root is 1000. Is 1000 equal null? No, you say mirror of root arrow left. Now when you say mirror of root arrow left, mirror of 1000 arrow left is what? 2000, and we are calling this from line number 3. Therefore it is line number 3. Is 2000 equal null? No, again we call the function mirror of 2000 arrow left, which is what? 4000, and we are writing this from line number 3. Is 4000 equal null? No, again we call the function mirror of root arrow left. 4000 arrow left is null, and the return line number is 3. Is null equal null? Yes, you return back. Now you execute line number 4, mirror of 4000 arrow right. What is 4000 arrow right? Again it is null, and the return line number is 4. Null equal null, you return. Now what does line number 5 says? You replace the left and right pointer, not replace, swap the left and right pointer of 4000. Now you swap null and null, it doesn't affect anything. Swap with these 3 lines, line number 8 is closing bracket of the function, again return. Where do you return? To line number 6. Now you see, line number 4. Mirror of root arrow right. What is root arrow right? 2000 arrow right is null. Return line number is 4. Null equal null? Yes, you return back. Where do you return? Line number 4. Now what does line number 5, 6, 7 says? Swap the left and right pointer with respect to 20. Now what will happen? Here it comes null, and here it comes what? 4000. It means the right child will be now 4000. The right child will be now 4000. Is that okay? Now if I redraw this diagram, what will happen? This is the right child, and here you see the address is 4000. Here you see 40, null and null. This is what you see. Fair enough. After you swap, execute line number 8. Again you return back, go back to the point from wherever it is called. Line number 6. Now you have to execute line number 4. Here I am writing mirror of 1000 arrow right. What is 1000 arrow right? It is 3000. And from which line number we are calling? From line number 4. Fair enough. Is 3000 equal null? No. Again you say 3000 arrow left. Hence we say mirror of. What is 3000 arrow left? It is 5000. We say 5000. And what is the return line number? Return line number is 3. Is 5000 equal null? No. Again you say mirror of 5000 arrow left. What is 5000 arrow left? Null. And the return line number is 3. Is null equal null? Yes. You return back. Now you execute line number 4. Mirror of 5000 arrow right. What is 5000 arrow right? It is null. And the return line number is 4. Is null equal null? Yes, you return back. Where do you return to this point? And you have to execute line number 4. And you have to swap the left pointer and the right pointer with respect to 5000. That means you swap null and null. It doesn't happen much. Now after you do this, execute line number 8. Go back to the point from wherever it is. Now you have to execute line number 4. Mirror of 3000 arrow right.